Hi friends, welcome to yet another episode of Swift Stories. In this video we are going to unbox an clip type mic. In the previous video we faced some audio issues like currently I am using a shotgun mic. It's a Boya BY-M1 mic. So when we are shooting a long range video we are facing some audio quality issues. To overcome that we brought a clip type mic. It's also from Boya. The model name is called Boya BY-M1 mic. Actually, this mic is launched 2 years before on the market, and this is the most affordable mic, clip type mic, which we can use for both smartphone and DSLR. So without wasting time, we can unbox this box and we can see what all the accessories provided by Boya. See a scratch card on the box. So this scratch card is used for authentifying this. This is a unique product. This is the original device of Boya. So there will be a code. We need to go to the website of boya-mic.com and we want to enter this scratch code, and we can authenticate that product, because many fake products are available on the market. To make this one as original, they are giving this scratch card. After that, we can see on the box it is written like this mic can be used for smartphone, cam recorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PCs. And we can see the specifications on the back side of the covering. Without wasting time, let me open this box. So we are getting a Boya's one cloth bag. So inside the cloth bag only they kept all the devices, all the accessories, and we have one Boya's user guide. So let me keep it aside. After that, there is an warranty card. Let me keep that also aside, and let me take all the accessories from the cloth cover. This is the clip mic, and I think they are providing 20 meter of cable length. Let me keep aside this one also. Let me see. And inside the cover they are given the clip. Let me take first. This is a windshield. So this windshield is used for reducing the background noise. After that, we have an adapter. So this adapter is used for audio recording devices. And there is a clip. And the clip is made up of iron. And there is an battery. So using this battery only, Boya mic is working. So let me take the battery out. Let me connect this battery to Boya mic. So for that you want to remove this one. If you turn anti-clockwise, now we can insert the battery into the mic. So you can see here there's a plus and minus. So you want to insert the plus. Just insert it. Now close the mic. here you can see a toggle switch. So if you are using this for a smartphone, select this one. If you are using for camera, you can switch to top. So now we are using for smartphone, so we kept down. And there's a clip, so you can insert this clip part to the attached to the mic. Another clip is attached. Clip this mic wherever you need it. And before that, let me insert this windshield. So this windshield will help you to reduce the background noises. Let me connect to my shirt and I will show you. This is how we attach Boya BY-M1 mic to our shirt. Let me check the audio quality of this mic first. So for that, I am connecting to my device. Now I am talking through the Boya BY-M1 clip mic. So you can see the audio difference between the previous clip and this clip, and give your audio which one is better. Give your suggestion on the comment box. And one more thing, if you are using this Boya BY-M1 mic for smartphone, no need of this battery. This battery is only for if you are using through camcorder or DSLR or any other recording device. For smartphone, there is no need of the connecting to this battery. Without battery also you can use. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and show us the support, and give your valuable suggestions and feedback on the comment box. We are always ready to help you. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.